What a lovely, beautiful morning. It's 7:30 and this is how it looks. Our kabucher pigeon. So here we go again, guys. Today we are going to office and today is a wonderful day. Today is Tuesday, 24th of February, and the challenge for today is to make a vlog, a single day vlog, not a compilation of the random videos. So let's start. Like in your house, when you use something, you should keep it back to the original place where it was. That is called organization. Guys, it's morning time. It's 6:36 in the morning and I'm here for a walk. As you can see, the climate behind me, sun will rise in some time. So let's walk harder and return back to home. So this was my much awaited D1. I came because I woke up early. I wish I could come more in the morning and pretty lose my weight. Really wanting to lose weight this year and in few months. Guys, look at the morning. It's 6:40 a.m. in the morning and temperature is 22 degrees Celsius, pretty much cool. I think the iPhone is not even doing the justice to the scenery I am watching with my naked eyes. Lovely. I really wanted to make one vlog one day, but yesterday I didn't end it up very well. So this will be the continuation of the vlog and it will be a joint vlog of 2 days maybe. I hope today I will end this vlog. Yesterday I didn't end. I don't know. In the morning I'm really very fresh. I'm really very enthusiastic. But when the day starts to end, all my enthusiasm goes where I don't know. Where my enthusiasm goes, I really don't know. But look at the background, guys. So I wanted to lose my weight around 82 kg, but I didn't make it. I failed to get to the goal I wanted. I really wanted to make it before the 20th February. I decided in November. 2 months pass and nothing. 2 or 3 months pass and nothing is still on the paper or in reality. So this time I don't want to give a chance to myself. This year I want to commit myself that I will be reaching the epitome of my life and of my fitness this year. I will really not promise myself, but I will keep the efforts this time a stronger bit. The reality is what I am trying to achieve is a lifestyle and not some temporary habit or a temporary goal. It is a lifetime goal, and I really watch people from China, Japan, Korea. Even in their old age, they are still working. I want to become like that, and not to become like the people around me where I live. I'm not lazy. If I have work, I'm really hardworking. But what is I lack is structure and organization, and lack of purpose, and that is the thing I want to keep in mind. So let's see how peaceful it is here. I can vlog. No one is around me. In public, I don't know what happens to me. I can't say a word. But here it is the freedom. No one is here to judge me. I can do whatever I can do whatever I want to. This morning is one of the peaceful mornings of my life. This is a perfect weather, perfect cold temperature, and perfect mood, and perfect vlog, morning vlog maybe. So guys, we are finally making it to our goal. So there are two villages where I live. I live in a village named Fundi, and I walk to a village named Panji, and the route between them is around 2 kilometers roughly. And this is the gate of Panji. And it's about to sunrise. So this is the time when we are transitioning from winter to summer. So summer is just around the corner, and the day will be longer and the night will be shorter in coming days. It has started, like I just said, it is a transitioning mode for the nature. I hope it is for me also. If I waited for some time, I can see the beautiful sunrise from here, but I need to rush back home because I need to bath and leave for office. I can see some birds. I think they are a couple. They are sticking out together. Guys, I was walking here and I spotted a golden jackal. I thought it was a dog, but it was golden jackal. He was crossing the road from right side to the left in this mangroves area. They are found in this regions of Navi Mumbai where there are mangroves, and they disappear in this mangroves, this bushy plants, and we can't spot here. You can see the man walking ahead. That was a distance. Even if I recorded this video, it would not feel real because it has the presence of a dog. So someone cannot believe that I really watched a golden jackal. I spotted it because it was auspicious, I guess, for myself. I guess I won't be able to see the sunrise till I reach the home. You can see it is lit up, but the sun is not in the sky. I think more half an hour it will need for the sun to be visible. But we need to get home and get bathed and get a bath. Guys, the sun is up. I need not to wait for this moment. What a lovely morning. So the sun is finally up, as you can see, and we are going home. We need to rush home, guys. So such a lovely morning. As you can see, the climate is very clear. Just loving this climate, guys. You can see the blue sky. Blue sky means the climate is clean. Feels better today. And this black outfit looks very terrible, crazy. I really like this black outfit. Looks sexy. Today I really woke up early and it gained me some confidence. So waking up early is the thing I should do very often to boost my confidence. I should be very user friendly to the screen while recording videos and not be shy anymore. I hope so. I will not remain like that in the coming days. Finally made it to the office. The day is going so far so good. Right now leaving the office. Leaving the office. So guys, it's brand new day and it's brand new vlog. Look at the climate, look at the climate. Very lovely climate. Clean and blue sky. There's something wrong with my eye. I don't know. And this is the dress code for today. So it's 8:35 in the morning. Right now we are moving towards the office. It's a long journey. You can see this temple around me. Our favorite dog is here. So today was also a lovely day, but I didn't woke up early in the morning. I don't know. I just slept today till 7:30, I guess. Today is very beautiful morning, like in winters. As I told in the previous vlog, we are transitioning into summer very soon. But let's enjoy the day today. Just checked on the app. The air quality index here is 67, which is satisfactorily good, and the temperature is 23 degrees Celsius right now at 8:30, which is also fine. Let's see, we will try to make one vlog one day if possible. Try to get some content for the vlog. I'm not sure, but Let's try.
Hello, good morning.
Hey guys, it's a new brand day. As you can see, the climate is so clear, and there is no pollution around. You can see the Kannala fort very clearly. As you can see, the sky is very bluish, clean. Everything is looking very crystal clear because the climate is very clean today, and it was yesterday also. So guys, right now I am on the Panji road to the place where I go for walking. So it's afternoon time, and today I didn't woke up early and go for a walk. It was 2 days earlier. I went for a morning walk, and this is the second day where I woke up at 9. Today was work from home day, so I've been working at home. Right now I just took a break and I'm going to Panjay. And today you can see the climate is very clean, and there is no pollution around. You can see the clear blue sky. I don't know, from past 3 days the climate is very clean, as you can see around here. Very beautiful and clean climate. The day I woke up early was a better day where I felt energized. For past 2 days I am not following the protocol. I'm not waking up early. Can literally see Mumbai from here. You can see some of the tallest skyscrapers.